Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Before starting my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Today's video I will show you how to know your Wi-Fi password. But you have to connect Wi-Fi. Using these two commands, you can identify or you can discover your password. So if you go to CMD, you have to right click and run as administrator CMD promote, and you have to copy the first command, which is net shwlan show profile. Copy the command and paste it. After executing the command, when you enter, you can get your Wi-Fi name, that means SSID name. Here you can see 3 or 5 or 6 SSID which I connected previously. Now let's see. My Wi-Fi, I am connected with IFT007. So let's discover the IFT007 Wi-Fi password. Using the second command, you can get the password. But here you can see Wi-Fi name. In that area, you have to write down your SSID name or Wi-Fi name. So copy the second command, which is net shwlan show profile, your Wi-Fi name and key equal to clear. Copy the command and paste into CMD mode. And replace Wi-Fi name into your Wi-Fi router name. That means my Wi-Fi router name is IFT007. And when you click enter, if you go to bit of upper side, you can get key content. Here is the key content. This key content is your Wi-Fi password. So my Wi-Fi password is Rajiv123. You can discover your Wi-Fi password using this command. There is another way you can discover use Wi-Fi password for Windows 10. If you go to your Wi-Fi section and left side Ethernet and change adapter option, you can get here Wi-Fi adapter. Right click on it, and if you go to status, under the status wireless properties, and under the wireless properties security tab, if you click the show character, then you can see that your Wi-Fi password. You can discover also Wi-Fi password in that way. So thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for getting the future video update. Thank you very much again.